Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Eyesonic web interface. So to start, if you can open up your Internet Explorer browser or Safari and go to the IP address of your machine, whether this is the local address or the remote. You put in the IP address, then you put colon, and then the port number of the HTTP port of your machine. You can find that on the machine itself. So you log in, and you'll come to this live view page. Now it might pop up on the bottom asking for permission to load. You have to hit allow. Once you've done that, there's two types of streams on here, the substream and the mainstream. If you're on the mainstream, that's only good for local when you're on site of where the DVR is. Otherwise, you want to use the substream because it will use less bandwidth and load faster. So once you've set what type of video stream you want, you can adjust your grid, how many cameras you want to be able to see at once. If we do full grid, when we hit the play all button, it will bring them all up at once, and that gives us the ability to basically see all. When we hit stop all, for instance, it will stop them. You can set it to like a 4x4 grid, hit play all, it'll load to whatever the grid view is that you have set currently. At the bottom we have the options down here for take a photograph. That'll take a photograph there. You can click the start all recording. It starts to record the video. You hit it again to stop. You're going to have the ability as well to change the views just by pressing the arrows. Right, for instance, takes you right, left would take you left. Once you're on a view you like, if you were trying to cycle through certain cameras, you do have the ability to double click it to make it full screen, double click it again to bring it back. If you're trying to zoom in on something, you can bring it to the highest quality, which is your mainstream, and then you can zoom in on that object and you'll be able to see it in clarity. So whether it was a license plate or something like that. To confirm what video you're on as well, you'll notice that when you press the arrows, the little green play symbol beside the cameras change. So that shows you what cameras are live at this current time. When you go to playback, you're going to have the ability to see recorded video. So it's a very similar interface, same grid. You can choose your cameras. It will show you all the cameras if it's fairly new in recording. It shows you everything that's recorded, even if the camera's been removed. You can change it to a single view. You'll notice on the right you've got your calendar. That's the day you want to look at. If it's a blue line, for instance, then it's all continuous recording. If we go to a camera that has motion recording on it, it'll show up as an event. Hit the stop camera to go to the next one. So you bring to the event, so you'll see there's all the little lines. That's the specific points in time when there was a recording. And so it helps narrow down when you're trying to find video, that sort of thing. It gives you more storage. You also have, similar to live view, you have the camera icon. Instead of the record all, it's clippers, makes you a small clip. You also have the ability to see like a specific time by just typing it in. So if I want noon or say 12:32, I can hit go, and it will take me right to that video clip of that specific day that's selected at the top there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.